Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and this is going to be my last video for 2023. So I just wanted to thank everybody personally for dropping by this channel every weekend to watch my videos. It's my third year on this platform, and I'm very happy because I get to share what I make with you guys. So to everyone who subscribed, left a comment, gave a like, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. So, because I'm talking about the things that I love to do, I'm just going to share with you today's project, which is another color recipe. So, Pantone has recently released its 2024 Color of the Year, and it's going to be Fuzzy Peach. So, this is the sample of the Fuzzy Peach color, and I'm going to try to recreate it, plus add a bit more to make a slab. So if you're interested in that, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Today we are mixing hues of peach. Let's make fuzzy peach, peach orange, and peach puff. So as per usual, let's begin with cleaning our work area first. I give my glass mat a good clean with some alcohol and wipes. Now I'm bringing out my sample fuzzy peach color. As you can see, I've already made a sample color and it's a pretty good match. Let's bring out the colors that we will need. I used Sculpey Primo in Burnt Orange, Sculpey Primo in Sunshine, Sculpey Primo in Light Pink, Sculpey Primo in White, Sculpey 3 in Dusty Rose, and Sculpey 3 in Red Hot Red. I am also getting a circular cutter just to make the portions more accurate. Cut out a bit of each color. Then, roll them out into the number 3 setting on the pasta roller. Once you roll out the burnt orange color, get the circular puncher and punch out a circle. Then cut the circle in half. Next, get the sunshine yellow color and roll it out into the number 3 setting. Punch out the circle and again, cut this in half. Roll out the light pink color and flatten it into the number 3 setting. Then, get the circular puncher and punch out one circle. Now, get the white clay and roll it out to the number 3 setting. Punch out 2 circles. Now let's move on to the dusty pink color and roll it out into the number 3 setting. Punch one circle. And now we're down to our last color, which is Red Hot Red. Once again, we roll out the clay into the number 3 setting. And then we punch out the circle. Except this time, we divide it into 8 equal parts. So for the fuzzy peach, let's first combine our orange and yellow colors. Once these are combined, I add the light pink, then the darker pink. After the colors are incorporated, I added the white. Finally, I added an eighth of the red. I normally add my red very sparingly because it's a strong color. And now, we have a match. Using this, I wanted to do other peachy hues. For peach orange, just take the fuzzy peach and add an eighth of red hot red. It's that simple. And for the final color, which is peach puff, I added 1/8 red hot red and 2 parts white. These 3 yummy colors will be what we will be using to make our slab. I'm using black for the base of the slab to make my peach colors pop. I'm also going to add gold as an accent to the slab. From this point, I will just keep quiet so that you can enjoy watching how I made this slab. I hope that you had fun watching this video, and I hope that you're looking forward to the projects that I will be making for 2024. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, and have a crafty week. Bye!